Okay, so mag-unbox na tayo. Ready? What is this? Gatorade. It's like a dust. Para tayong nagda-dumpster dive. Pero daig kami ng dumpster diver kasi we're gonna put all the mystery box together.
Oh, mystery box.
Yeah.
Mystery box.
So yung mga mystery box ay nandito. You look like a hoarder.
What's a hoarder?
Hoarders, like the one that mommy was watching there. Life. It's another day. It's another day of packing. Pero today, ang magiging focus ng aking video, ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo today is mag-unbox tayo ng pangalawang palette na pinamili namin nung nakaraan. So, ito, nagpapak ako isang Pokemon earrings na set. Actually, marami nang napak si Mister. Ayan. Ito, ayan. So, lahat yan pinaknya kanina. Pokemon earrings and t-shirt na Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi. Ano to? Galing to sa Walmart liquidation. Yung i-unpack natin mamaya or i-unbox natin mamaya na palette ay galing sa Amazon. May nabuksan na tayo ng isang palette. Kung napanood nyo sa mga previous recent videos namin, na-unbox ko na yung isa, inunti-unti ko. Pero I know na meron siyang mga kaparehong item dun sa second palette. So, gusto kong buksan muna yung second palette bago ako mag-list ng mag-list. So, para sabay-sabay, diba? By category. So, yun ang aking gagawin. Pero tapusin ko lang itong pagpapak. So, meron akong pahabol na 3 order. Isa sa Poshmark. Nahulog ka. So, 39. Ayun yung escape. And 43. Okay, after nito mag-unbox na tayo. Yung mga boys ay makikijoin yan for sure. But Maya is now taking a nap with the daddy. So, kami lang 3. Okay, go ahead. Okay, we're gonna do unboxing. Are you gonna join me? Extra what?
Extra packaging.
Yeah. Wala na.
Mommy, that's a really big bag.
That's a big, that's a garbage bag.
What?
What?
Why?
Okay, let's go do unboxing video.
Yeah!
I'm gonna get my knife.
We're just gonna go unboxing video now.
It's on the wrong side.
Yeah.
And ito na yung ating i-unbox. So yung laman nitong mga plastic bin na to, ilan to? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Ayan, may ano na yan. Shoes, books, home decor, Halloween, Halloween. Apat na mga Halloween costume and home decoration. 2 clothes. Tapos ito ay mga, ano to? General merchandise, 4. And then, 3 Christmas. Ito ay puro Christmas na mga paninda. Okay, so mag-unbox na tayo. Ready? Okay. Ay! What is this? Looks like a Christmas stuff. I'm sure it's something for Christmas. Because of this thing in the back. So it's probably a Christmas something. What, do you want to go in?
Yeah. I want to go in.
It's too...
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy, microscope.
Oh, you already have a microscope. No, don't open that. Okay, ready, go. Okay, don't get hurt. Give me the bigger box. Oh, goodness, heavy boy.
What is that?
It's like for hair catcher for dogs or cats.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at this,
That
guys!
was quick.
But we're not gonna keep that, okay? We already have a lot of this kind of toys. It's a lot of this. Look at that. A lot of this. So maraming more frequent na stuff. Like the phone case, Andrew. Ano, Andrew, you're zombie na. He found things that he wants to keep. What's that? It's a gel nail polish. You're not gonna play that. You can check later, Andrew. But you probably want to help me first. Yeah? Ang daming phone case. Ayoko ng ganito. Ooh, whiteboards. This should sell.
I'm a statue, Mommy.
I know, you're like a statue. You're not even moving. Come on, move. Lucas, go on the higher part first. There's a lot of stuff. Ito, Folgers, coffee. Ano, you wanna go down? Actually, nakakabagal itong dalawang to. Pero, they're having fun. Are you guys having fun? Okay, that's what matters. Okay, next curtain. Mga home decor. Oh, give me all these red things. Yeah, that. Ooh, look at those red stuff. It's a case for a Twitch. Unicorn. What is this? Gatorade. It's like a dozen. Oh my goodness. What's that? Halloween. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Hey, look at these ornaments. It's so pretty. I think we should keep this one. Because it's red. Look at that. That's cans behind you there. That's heavy. Can you do it? Ano, Andrew? Why are you zombie? You look like you're zombified. Are you zombified?
I just look like that.
But why?
Like a book.
Why? Happy Albia.
So much more reward. Superman Christmas.
Para tayong nagda-dumpster dive.
Christmas.
Pero daig kami ng dumpster diver. Kasi ang dumpster diver, walang puhunan, di ba?
Whiteboards.
Oh, what is this? It's like
Whiteboard.
picture frame. Ano to? What is this? Chicken water cups. Oh, for the chickens. Oh, look at these Christmas headbands. That's so cute.
Mommy, what's
Andrew, there's a lot of phone case here.
these?
That's your job, Andrew.
Mommy, what's these?
Let me check. What is this? Decorating. It's like for people who do cry cut. They print something here.
What is that? Mommy, what is that?
Let me check. What is this? It's like a Christmas ornament. Funny golf Christmas. Okay, put it there.
Will it be like this in every room? In every room in a hoarder's house?
Hoarder's house, yeah. Yeah, it looks like that. Nanonood kami ng Hoarder sa Netflix. Pinakita ko sa kanya, tingnan niyo yung mga tao dito. Oh. Yung ibang hoarder talaga. Ano ba ako, na-amuse ako. So, pinapakita ko sa kanila.
What's this?
I don't know, it's a mystery box. We're gonna put all the mystery box together.
Oh, mystery box. Like
Yeah.
mystery box.
So, yung mga mystery box ay nandito.
What's inside the mystery box?
Mr. Andrew, are you still a statue? You look like a hoarder.
What's a hoarder?
Hoarders, like the one that mommy was watching, their house is full of trash and stuff that they don't need. Grabe, ang dami, friends. Oh, hindi ako magkanda-ugaga. So far, 4 na yung nakuha namin na gano'n na lemonade drinks. Tapos may nakita pa kami, ayan, isa, dalawa, tatlo. So meron pa siguro yan sa ilalim. Tapos ito, ang daming ganito, mga socks daw siya. Pero parang fuzzy na socks, kaya malamang pang Christmas yan. Lucas is a big help because he's giving me the bigger box that I cannot reach. Ito. Oh, sobrang dami. Wala na akong paglalagyan, friends. So, parang nangyayari, basta tinatapon ko na lang. Susort ko siya ulit mamaya kapag bakante na.
Another one? Mommy, I told you there was another one.
I know. You can give it to me.
I told you there's another one.
There. Oh, that's not one.
Password notebook.
Password book.
And mail.
Oh, big box.
Okay.
What is this?
Mommy, can you get that for me?
But we don't mind
Mom, what
drinking
is
it.
this?
Oh, let's see. Thank you card. If you want to say thank you to someone, you can give them a card. It's like a special way to say thank you. Napagod na ako. We're like more than half na. So, ito yan. Siguro mga 1/3 na lang yung natitira. Pagod na ako. Tapos tong dalawa, bukas sila na bukas kasi lagi silang curious. Kaya sila nag-enjoy kasi parang curious sila pag may nakita silang something different. What is this? What is this for? Ito ay parang... You want this? Andrew's not really helping. He just keep moving back and forth. So far, ayan, ang dami naming nakuha. Mga damit, konti lang. Pero ang daming mga malalaking boxes. Ang ayoko so far is yung mga food. Kasi may mga food. Ayoko talaga magbebenta ng food. Kaya, kasi dito sa Amerika, uso yung demandahan. Lalo kapag ka-related sa food. So, ayoko magbebenta ng food.
Look at this juices.
No, we have to be careful. It might be expired. Hi, Maya! Maya is awake. So, ito na. Na-empty na namin yung box. Pero yung last part, hindi ko na talaga siya na sort kasi wala na akong lalagyan. So, ang gagawin namin, tatanggalin muna namin yan, yung box na yan, tsaka yung pallet, para makapag store ulit kami. May space kami para ibalik ito sa loob ng mas naka-organize na.
Daddy, you want to try this?
Some stuff over.
Okay. I will somehow help.
Daddy, that's a big one.
Good job, Daddy.
Oh!
Yeah.
Nice thing.
And this. I got some popcorn. Cheesy popcorn. I love cheesy popcorn. Gonna keep it right. Alright, so I don't know where to begin. Okay, so this is it. Ito na yung magiging challenge ko. Paano ko to i-organize? Ibabalik ko siya sa loob. So, wala na kasi akong plastic bin. Yun yung problema. Alright, friends. Tapos na. Almost done. Ito, na-sort ko na sila. Whew, okay, so lahat ng nandoon na mga boxes ay mga Christmas stuff. So, ihuli ko yan. Tsaka ito, lahat ng mula dyan sa taas na yan hanggang 3 plastic bin. Lahat yan ay Christmas Eclaboo. And then, ito yung mga general merchandise. Ito, general merchandise. Ito naman, small boxes and bigger boxes. So, usually, yung pera dyan ay nandito sa mga malalaking boxes. So, unahin ko to na i-unbox at ma-list. Later, kung magkaroon ako ng time, mag-open na ako dyan unti-unti at ibebenta na natin. So, yung nakita ko so far, ito, merong neck pillow. Yung mga ganito, usually $20 to $30 yan. And then, merong etong leg shaping ball. Ayan. I think merong 4 niyan. Nasa ano to siguro. Hula ko lang ha. Mga $30 to $50. Ito, hindi ko to alam. Ano to? Mukhang pangregalo. Cookbook na pangregalo sa bagong kasal. And then ito, pang Pasko din ito, mga Christmas pens na madami, parang 100 pieces o 48 pieces Christmas pens. Ayan, sana hindi lang siya dry para maibenta. And then ayan, marami tayong mga laruan na ganito, microscope. Ito, hindi naman ito masyadong mahal, siguro $20, ganyan. Tapos may isang laruan na ganito, yung kagaya ng pinull out ni Lucas. And then ayan, madaming case for parang Nintendo Switch. Another toy. Toys. Dalawa nito. Ito pala medyo weird. Ito, mga gamot. Siguro itatapon ko na lang ito. Teka. Kasi ayoko magbenta ng gamot na. Wala bang expiry? May ito. 2026. June 2026. So, sabi ko nga mga ganito. Ayan, close to expiry na siya kaya siya niliquidate. So, tatapon na natin. And then, ano pa ba? Mga general merchandise, mga kurtina, kumot, ganyan. Ito yung mga mystery boxes pa na hindi pa natin alam. And usually, sa experience ko, pag nabenta ko yung malalaking boxes na ganyan, nandyan yung pera, karamihan. Hindi, pag malaki yung boxes, madalas, malaki din yung value. Not all the time, pero syempre minsan may mga nakikita tayo dito na mga maliliit na bagay, tapos mahal pala. Like nakita ko meron dyang Apple pen, dapat pala sineparate ko na. Tapos may mga nakita akong parang AirTags. Yung AirTags nasa $20 to $30 din. Ayan, dyan sa mga yan. Ito, weird. Sabi ko nga ayoko sana magbenta ng ng mga food. Pero ito ay dietary supplement. Tapos ang expiry niya is 2027 pa. So ayoko siyang itapon. Sayang naman kasi. Mga dietary supplement, naman yan. Usually maganda rin yung value niyang mga yan. So this is what I don't really like. Kasi marami tayong ganito. These are protein bars. They're close to expiry date. Pero nangihinayang akong itapon. This one, bali 12, isang dosenang box na ganyan. And sabi ng asawa ko, nasa $5 lang daw yung... Ayan friends, so bali nalobat pala yung, hindi pala nalobat, na full memory yung aming camera. So nakat yung aking video. Pero anyway, yung ending lang naman ay pinakita ko yung mas organized ko ng paninda na pinagtrabahuhan namin ng 3 oras kasama yung buong pamilya na nag-unboxing. So na-enjoy talaga namin yung unboxing kasi parang full of surprises, parang basta masaya. Nag-enjoy kami ng mga bata pag nag-unbox kami. And na-organize ko na siya and inuunti-unti ko na siyang i-list. Inuuna ko nga yung mga malalaking boxes kasi nandun usually yung pera kung saan usually pag nabenta ko na yung mga malalaking boxes, nakabalik puhunan na ako noon. And then most of the time, yung dami ng nakikita ninyo is na yun, mga profit na yun, ganun. Pero syempre, matagal yun trabahuhin, matagal i-process, matagal lahat. Pagtatrabahuhan muna talaga. Pero yun, masaya ako. Mukhang maganda yung nakuha naming palette. Madaming valuable na items, and update ko kayo in the future vlogs. Let me know sa comment section, guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Bye!